Hello, here I will show you what is BioToilet and how it's going to help you for your waste management. The main advantage of BioToilets are which is prefabricated so that there is no need of any civil work for operation. In BioToilet, the digester will be attached with the toilet so that the waste management will happen inside the toilet itself. We have different type of models, Indian, Western, Premium, and we also have a toilet without digester. For institutions and all, we'll install bigger digesters for higher number of flushes. The advantages of biotoilets are which is prefabricated, which is less civil work required for operation, and there is very much easy to relocate into different locations, which is non-corrosive. Any color options available. We can customize the sizes according to your requirement. Standard sizes are 1.1 meters into 1.1 meters. We have different color options. This is one of the installation we done for a tourism project in Kerala, Alapi. We also have different types, sizes of biotoilets available. So do contact us in the phone number provided so that we can customize here our solutions according to your requirement. We have different color options available, different sizes available, and different technologies also available. So do contact us in a WhatsApp number provided. We will send you the technical details according to your purpose. Thank you.